How you can quickly and easily create favorites on the new Sharp Smart TV, you will find out in today's video, so stay tuned. This is the brand new Sharp Smart TV, the Aquos model. We want to create favorites with this one. And that's very easy here. By simply pressing the OK key on the remote control and now holding the gear symbol on the remote control, the virtual keyboard appears. And now you just have to go to blue, select these. Now you have to go out again, go to the respective favorites, which list, there are 4 lists. Click OK here, and when you have done that, you can go out of this menu again and you already have the heart here. That means we added this to favorites. Select the next transmitter, then hold down the setting key again, then the blue key, go out of the menu again, go back to which favorites, click OK, go out again, we already have the heart here. That means this transmitter was added to the favorites. There are 4 lists and you can do it very comfortably. As I said, just select the desired transmitter, then hold down the gear key, blue key, go out, click favorites, and that's it. If you now want to select this favorites list, then you just have to hold down the gear key again. This time to yellow, and here you can now select favorites. And when we have done that, we are only shown the favorites that we have just added, and you can see that here. And so you can switch back and forth between the favorites and all channels. Simply with the yellow key, then you have the favorites here. If you want to see them all again, then of course you have to click on all again. As I said, very easy, just select the transmitter you want, just go there without the OK key, and here again the gear key, and here again the blue key. Choose your favorite, this time I choose the favorites list too. Go out, I already have that added to my favorites, and then have access to the channels I want. Of course, the whole thing can be sorted with the green key.